Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through the body sensation script. What is a body sensation script? Body sensation scripts promote a deeper understanding of the physical sensations experienced within the body. They focus on the principles of mindfulness and cognitive behavioral techniques, guiding individuals to tune into their body signals. These scripts are particularly beneficial in managing sensations that might be uncomfortable or distressing, such as a burning sensation or the feeling of an external object in the body. Therapists use these scripts to steer their clients through introspective journeys through these steps. Step 1 being identification. The initial stage requires you to pinpoint the bodily sensation you're experiencing, which can range from a tingling sensation to the feeling of an external object. Location, intensity, and other distinct features are often listed. Step 2 is recognition. Following identification, it's necessary to acknowledge your automatic thought, emotion, and behavior responses to these situations. Step 3 is mindfulness practice, which involves practicing mindfulness to stay present within the sensation. The goal isn't to alter, judge, or react, but simply observe. Step 4 is reframing, where you're encouraged to apply cognitive behavioral strategies to reframe your thoughts and emotions associated with the sensation. This allows you to challenge any negative or unhelpful responses and develop healthier ones instead. Step 5 is application, where you apply these newly learned techniques whenever you encounter the sensation in your daily life. As a result, it is commonly used by mindfulness therapists and counselors. Here's how to use a body sensation script. The first step is to read each of the steps systematically as listed. You'll then need to provide sufficient notes and details under each step. To view a sample script of the body sensation script, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the script for free. You can also access the script through the Carepatron platform. All you have to do is type in the keywords, click on the note, and then edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare related videos.